This smoothie tastes literally like it's from a juice bar. This is dragon fruit, blueberry, pineapple juice, and it has passion fruit puree cubes in here. It is so good. It is perfect if you're looking for a tropical escape. It's delicious, and you can easily make this at home instead of going to the juice bar and spending $7-8 on a smoothie that you can easily make multiple times for less money. I think the best smoothies have fresh juice in them. I started by juicing my own cold pressed pineapple juice. Pineapple juice is rich in bromelain, a natural enzyme that may help reduce inflammation, support digestion, strengthen the immune system, and boost your metabolism. Makes it a nutritious choice on its own. It's also great in supporting healthy skin. As always, I'm not a dietitian, so consult with one on what's best for you. I'm using the Nama C2 juicer and blender. It's interchangeable between both components. The juicer quality is the same as the J2. The only difference is that the base is bigger on the C2, which allows it to be a high-powered blender as well. This is a high-quality juicer. Again, if you already have a high-powered blender, then this one might not be the choice for you. You might just want to go with the J2 or the J3, depending on how much you want to juice. But I think this is a great choice if you are looking for a high-quality blender and want a juicer as well. This one would work for you. It's also great if you're trying to save space in terms of not having too many appliances. This is just the one base and then you interchange it. So also keep that in mind. All right, we finished up juicing, so we'll go ahead and get started with the smoothie. I am making a dragon fruit smoothie. You're gonna need pineapple juice, dragon fruit, blueberries, and some mango or guava frozen pieces. We'll get started. So you're gonna start for this smoothie, you're gonna need to measure out 6 ounces of juice. So this is pineapple juice. You're gonna need a cup of dragon fruit. You could use a package of this or just regular frozen dragon fruit. A cup of dragon fruit, and then you're gonna do half a cup of passion fruit puree. These are just in frozen form. These freezer cubes are by WMP, Wanda and Porter. I love them. They save me so much space in my freezer, and they're stackable. I love the bottoms. You can press on them and it'll make anything unstuck. You can put liquids in here. I usually use it though for frozen fruit to save up some freezer space. So definitely recommend. I do have this linked in my bio, and you can use a discount code on them. Again, also linked in my bio. I really love them. So you can see same base, but now I have the blender on it, so I'll let you enjoy this little ASMR. And you don't have to spend so much money buying one smoothie when you can make a ton at home. It literally is like a smoothie bar. So I definitely recommend to try this. It's delicious. So if you try this, let me know. Subscribe for more.